Hello friends, welcome to the library Information Science Portico. Today we are learn Public Library Acts. As the show, we have to learn all the details of Public Library Act and their short and tricky way to learn all the Library Act and other information related to Public Library Act. So let's start with alphabets. First we have to learn this alphabet and then define what does it mean for this alphabet. So first alphabet is a TAK, that is TAC, then is MWM, then HKM, that is hero kilometer. For easy learn is a hero kilometer is a HKM, hero kilometer. So we have is a TAC, MWM, hero kilometer. Then we go to the GOG, then URU and low BCA, low BCA. This is all our Public Library Act. Total 19 act. We have Public Library Act total 90. So short form for TAC, T4 is a Tamil Nadu, Madras. A for Andhra Pradesh, previously called Hyderabad Public Library Act 1955, is Tamil Nadu, Madras, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, Karnataka, Mysore. Then we move to MWM, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Manipur. Maharashtra, West Bengal, Manipur. Then we come to the hero kilometer, that is H for Haryana, Kerala, Mizoram. Then we come to the GOG, Goa, Odisha, Gujarat. Goa, Odisha, Gujarat. Then we come to URU, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. Then we come to low BCA, that is Lakshadweep, Pondicherry, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, and Arunachal Pradesh. The last one is the Telangana. The first Public Library Act, which is a non-functional, is Kolhapur Public Library Act, which is enacted in 1945, which is also called Kar Veer Vachan Mandir. Kolhapur Public Library Act is also known as Kar Veer Vachan Mandir. Is enacted in 1945, which is a non-functional Public Library Act, Kolhapur Public Library Act. Then we move to the again full form of these short tricks is T for Tamil Nadu, Madras. A for Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, previously known as Hyderabad Public Library Act 1955, now known as Andhra Pradesh Public Library Act. So P for Tamil Nadu, Madras, and year of enactment is 1948. Then we comes to Andhra Pradesh Public Library Act, previously known as Hyderabad Public Library Act 1955, and Andhra Pradesh Public Library Act is enacted in 1960. K for Karnataka, Mysore, enacted in 1965. Then we move to M for Maharashtra, enacted in 1967. W for West Bengal, enacted in 1979. M for Manipur, enacted in 1988. H for Haryana, enacted in 1989. K for Kerala, enacted in 1989. M for Mizoram, enacted in 1993. M for Mizoram, enacted in 1993. G for Goa, enacted in 1993. O for Odisha, enacted in 2001. G for Gujarat, enacted in 2001. U for Uttarakhand, enacted in 2005. R for Rajasthan, enacted in 2006. U for Uttar Pradesh, enacted in 2006. L for Lakshadweep, Pondicherry, enacted in 2007. B for Bihar, enacted in 2008. C for Chhattisgarh, enacted in 2008. A for Arunachal Pradesh, enacted in 2009. The last one is T for Telangana, enacted in 2015. So let's revise all the Public Library Act, that is TAC, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad Public Library, formerly known as, and K for Karnataka, Mysore, that is 48, 60, 65, 48, 60, 65. Then moves to the MWM, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Manipur. Maharashtra, West Bengal, Manipur. Maharashtra, West Bengal, Manipur. That is 1967, 67, 79, 88. 1967, 1979, 1988. 67, 79, 88. Then we comes to hero kilometer. That is Haryana, Kerala, Mizoram. Haryana, Kerala, Mizoram. Enacted in 1989, 1989, 1993. Then we come to GOG. That is Goa, Odisha, Gujarat. Goa, Odisha, Gujarat. Enacted in 1993, 2001, 2001. Then we comes to URU, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. Enacted in 2005, 2006, 2006. Then we comes to low BCA. Enacted in Lakshadweep, L for Lakshadweep, Pondicherry, B for Bihar, C for Chhattisgarh, A for Andhra Pradesh, A for Arunachal Pradesh. Lakshadweep, Pondicherry enacted in 2007, Bihar enacted in 2008, Chhattisgarh is enacted in 2008, Arunachal Pradesh enacted in 2009. So we have learned all the Public Library Act through the short tricks and easily memorize all the Public Library Act and their year of enactment. We also learn more about non-functional Public Library Act, that is Kolhapur Public Library Act, which also known as Kar Veer Vachan Mandir, which is enacted in 1945. And then we comes to the list of 7 Northeast state, and in which 3 state which have Public Library Act. So list of 7 Northeast state is Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. In all these 7 Northeast states, we have only 3 states which have Public Library Act, that is Manipur, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh. Manipur is enacted in 1988, and then Mizoram, which is a Northeast state, also 1993, and then we have Arunachal Pradesh, which is a Northeast state, is enacted in 2009. Then we comes to the Public Library Act, which have provision of library cess. Public Library Act which have provision of library cess. Public Library Acts which have provision of library cess. That is Tamil Nadu, Madras, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Haryana, Kerala, and Goa, Telangana. There are total 7 states which have provision of library cess. Provision of library cess, that is short form is TAG, HAG, GT. These are the 7 states which have a provision of library cess. That is TAG, HAG, GT. TAG T for Tamil Nadu, Madras, R for Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, Karnataka, Mysore, A for Haryana, Kerala, H for Haryana, K for Kerala, G for Goa, or T for Telangana. These are the 7 states which have a provision of library cess. I hope we have covered all the details of Public Library Acts, and I think these are the most important information about Public Library Acts, and I hope we have covered all the information related to Public Library Act. If I have missed something which are not covered in this short notes, please comment on below, so that we cover these other details which are not covered in this video. We cover all the information in our next video. Please comment and like, subscribe this channel. Thank you for this. Thank you for view this video. Thank you.